Hey my lovelies, you're welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I warmly welcome you. Consider subscribing and become my family here on YouTube, and hit that bell icon beside the subscribe button so that you don't get to miss any of my cooking episodes. So these are some of the vegetables which I'll be using, and feel free to use what you prefer. So I have some bell peppers here, red, green and yellow bell pepper. I have the scotch bonnet pepper. I have some carrots, leek and spring onions. So feel free to add in or remove the one you don't like. So I'll be seasoning this chicken. Of course, we are making in this video chicken curry sauce. Seasoning this chicken, I'll be using some curry powder, chicken seasoning stock, bay leaf, thyme, rosemary, ginger and garlic paste, salt to taste, and some chopped onions. So I'll give everything a good mix and set it aside to marinate. So after about 30 minutes of marinating this chicken, I'll go right ahead now to cook this chicken. So when the chicken must have cooked down for about 5 to 7 minutes, I'll start adding in the vegetables. So I'm adding the pepper, the onions, the carrots and the sweet corn. So I'll allow this to start boiling at least for about 2 minutes before adding in the other ingredients. I'll add in the bell peppers, the red, green and yellow bell peppers, adding the leek, and also allow them to cook for about 1 minute before now finally adding in the spring onion. And I will also add in the chicken cubes, seasoning cubes and salt to taste, and allow these vegetables to cook for about 2 minutes because I still want the vegetables to have in all the nutrients in them intact. So in here I'm going to prepare the slurry with which I'll be thickening this chicken sauce. So I'll do this by adding in 2 spoons of cornstarch. You can use any soup thickener that you have. Here I'm using cornstarch. So I'll add in 2 spoons of cornstarch and dissolve in cold water, and after that I'll go ahead and add into the sauce and give it a stir. I'll cover the pot and allow this to simmer for about 1 minute, and guys, you have your delicious chicken curry sauce ready and yummy. So you guys come and enjoy this with me. So thank you for watching this video, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead now and subscribe and hit that bell beside the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my cooking episodes. And have you liked this video? Let me ask you, have you liked the video? If you've not liked the video, go ahead now and give me that like. It will really help the video. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.